Hey everyone, welcome back. This is part 3 of the ezdxf series. In this video we'll create a basic rectangle function, add inner and outer offsets, and use colors to clearly see the differences between the shapes. So without further ado, let's get into it. We're going to create a function called rectangle that is going to hold 5 variables: the model space, the starting point, and the width and the height of the rectangle. Here we define the rectangle points, starting from the bottom left corner and going clockwise. Each point moves either in width or height until the rectangle is closed. We've just created a rectangle with a basic function, unlike before by adding the lines one by one. By creating a function, we can easily create as many rectangles as we want. Now we're going to create an inner offset for our rectangle that is going to hold 3 parameters: the model space, the offset, and the rectangle. Here we store the rectangle's original position and size directly on the DXF entity. This lets us reuse the same rectangle later for things like offsets without recalculating anything. For the inner offset, we move the rectangle inward by adding offset to X and Y, and we reduce the width and height by twice the offset because both sides shrink. And there we go, a inner offset for our rectangle has been created by using a simple function. The outer offset works exactly the same as the inner offset. We reuse the same logic, but instead of moving inward, we expand the rectangle outward by changing the direction of the offset. Now we have an inner and an outer offset to our rectangle. The last thing that we're going to do now is add a color to our offsets. This way we can tell them apart. ezdxf uses simple indexed colors called ACI colors, basically numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, where each number represents a standard color like red, yellow, green, cyan, or blue. And that is it for part 3. We created a reusable rectangle function, added inner and outer offsets to our rectangle, and used colors to make everything easy to see. So thank you for watching this video.